Hello everyone, my name is Mason Crawford, and the free website that I chose to do for, as you know, what you can use for your kids in the classroom, a learning activity that I use is called Kahoot. And you can go to www.kahoot.it, and that link will take you to a place where first you will see a link that says, would you like to join or sign up or create an account? And I already have an account, which I couldn't really show you that, but this would be my profile, and you can create a Kahoot game here. You can share your game here. And so the game that I have is right here. So I only have two of the games on here. I have Time to Solve Math and Know Your Government. So the one that I will show you is Know Your Government. I won't show you Time to Solve Math because, number one, it is 15 questions. It is going to be too long for this video. And Know Your Governments, there are only 3 questions, which I create specifically for this project. So, here we go. I'm going to click on that game, and teachers only see this. So, for your students, when they want to see this game, I will show you how to get there. First, the host, which would be the teacher, you will click Start. And you can ignore this because this is not something that I need. So, hang on. I need to move. Okay. Now, it's going to take you to the game. Let's see. I promise it's free. You just need to click on Classic Mode when you get there. Okay. Alright. The only reason why it's asking to pay is because, it has like an upgrade, so you can do like unlimited stuff with an upgrade. So anyways, and Kahoot does have a music, so you might hear music playing a little bit in the background. Alright, so let's see. Alright, and I'm on my phone to join the game. I'm gonna pretend I'm the student, even though there is no student around to play this game for me. Alright, so 7338313. If you're wondering where the numbers are, it's right here. It's called the game pen, and that's where your students will go here, and they're going to type those numbers on their game pen, and that's where they type it in. They can use it on their phone or their computers or tablets. So, and you're gonna hit, the kids are gonna hit enter, and then they're gonna type their names. Most kids really enjoy like creating nicknames like Wonder Girl or Superman, stuff like that, or they can use their real name. So we'll just use my name for this game. Okay. Well, it logged me out. Hang on. Must be connection or something. Enter. Okay, go. Alright, and you will see my name. That's the student's name. You'll see, if you have a big class, your whole students will be showing up right here. Now you're ready to move on. So the host, when your whole class is ready and logged in and they're in the game, you click Start, and then it will begin. The kids will see that it says Get Ready, Loading, and that's what they'll see. And they'll be able to see your host screen. Alright, the first questions. What are the 3 branches of governments? And the kids, they have time. There is a minute timer going. So the kids will see the shapes that they need to click on. And once everybody completes the answer, this will show up. So you'll see who got it right and who got it wrong. And it looks like, since I'm the only student here, it's like the whole class got it right and nobody got it wrong. So that's what it would look like. Okay. And then it shows a scoreboard. And you'll see who's first and who's second and third. Alright, so how long does the judge has in her job for? 3 years, for life, 10 years, 20 years. Alright, so I'm going to say for life. Click. Yay! Got it right. It shows me that I have it right. Awesome. Moving on. And we're on the last question of the game. True or false? True or false? The president's name is Joe Biden. True! Because he is our president. Very good. So we got those questions right. And this is what's going to happen when the game is over. Drum roll. Third place is nobody. Second place is nobody. First place is me. Yay! So that's just basically like kids love it. So they'll see that they got first place on their screen. And this is, like I said, this is just a fun activity that kids will enjoy. This is a great review for social studies. Like I said, this was about government, and this is a great review for students, like I said, and it's perfect for if you want the kids to have game time, and you can do it as a class, and it gives you a report. So like you can see right here that the whole class made 100, which is like 100% correct. Can it say that way? You can play again. And right here, if you look over there where it says view full report, click on that and you can click on view report and it will show you all the questions and who got right and who didn't. So see, it'll tell you how many players, and there's questions, summary, feedback, players, questions, time. We spent 3 minutes on it. It'll show you if anybody got it wrong, that these would be the difficult questions that somebody has wrong. And then who needed help. No one seemed to need help. So yeah. And then who didn't finish. And you can view who won, which took me back over there. So anyways, like I said, this is a great activity for kids and teachers to be able to play and have fun as a class. And like I said, this activity is free. Love Kahoot. Kids love it. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you all enjoy it, and we'll maybe create your own games for your kids. Thank you so much.